Hi, Don here. Sorry for not producing the video a little bit earlier. I know this is late, but I do wish all a happy new year. Unfortunately, PO Poly, I don't know why, they told me they would send me a replacement plate and also a bigger one, so that when I finally get a TiVo Tornado or a Creality CR-10, then I would have a PO Poly plate for that one too. But yeah, don't know what's happening. They sent it, I think it was end of November, beginning of December, and DHL tracking and everything, you know, but DHL tracking that works from where the company is to the border, and then after the border you get no information. And it's 6, 7, 8 weeks now and nothing has arrived yet. Right now I was trying to print on blue tape. I was even trying to use the Printer Pro on the blue tape, but this is the result of a 4-layer raft for one part, and that looks like shit. And with my X-Wing, I got up to this point about 2 weeks ago, and then the PO Poly plate wasn't working anymore. Only problems, only problems. There was no, you could notice that the top layer of the PO Poly plate was like a baby Po, so glatt. Oh man. I only needed to print the last one here, and then the wing parts before. The other stuff is finished. But yeah, as you can see, it's looking good. I was thinking about getting some plastic to glue onto the window frame here so that this looks a little bit better. You can open it up. And then a small pilot. Have to take a look in a toy shop or something, I'm not sure. See if I can get a small pilot where I can put inside. That would look good. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. But unfortunately, oh man, you know, that really pisses me off. But what can you do? You can do nothing. Yeah, and well, as soon as the PO Poly plate comes, I will start the production as fast as possible. And sometime in the next couple of weeks, there might be an update on my Johnny 5. Yeah, those 4 parts, they're being printed from a good friend, Alex, who has a print service also here in Germany. For those of you who need something, yeah, you can visit his page. I'll put a link down in the description. And as soon as he sends me those 4 parts, then I'll be able to finish the Johnny 5 project, which will be cool. But until then, Wish you all happy printing. Have a nice day. Just do subscribe. Press the like button. And click the bell so that you know when the next video is coming up. And for any of you who might have $1 extra, take a look at my Patreon page. It would be nice. Until then, take care all. Have a nice day. Bye.